What's the meaning of black-eyed pea? Black-eyed pea. Black-eyed pea.
Black-eyed pea. Black-eyed pea. Black-eyed peas, also known as cowpeas, are a type of legume commonly grown in the southern United States and throughout Africa. They get their name from their distinct appearance, with a small black spot or eye on one end of the beige-colored bean. Black-eyed peas have a mild, earthy flavor and a creamy texture, making them a popular ingredient in dishes such as hop and john, a traditional southern dish of rice and peas, and salads. These legumes are also nutrient-dense, containing fiber, protein, folate, and iron, making them a healthy addition to any diet.